And we are in front of a prototype of the Papilion P6.0 from Burstner with a price of 66,749. And if we enter inside, we firstly see a different approach in the design, like an igloo portable fridge, and then some pretty nice sitting area with the slide out Fiat Ducato chassis. They kept this one, and also pretty wide opening from this side, the Lippert unit with Truma CP Plus, and a pretty fancy unit for your gas. And also you have the actual induction cook stove and additional storage right down there. And then we have the Trellino toilet, fold down sink, and additional storage right behind it, and a pretty great shower unit. It's pretty large. And then on the back, space for two people getting out, and well, checking a big garage space where you can fold up and put two bicycles inside with the actual measuring of 1.816, and actual bedding is approximately 1.3, and on the larger part we are getting about 1.937. And this is the look of the new Burstner Papilion. It's still